In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 2, exercise 12.2, surface area and volume. Observe this question. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. Rachel asked to make a model shaped like this one. Model having cylinder and its two ends attached with what? Cone. Clear? The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. Diameter of this model is what? 3 centimeter. We are having diameter. It means what? It's half of this one will be what? Its half will be what? Radius, and radius will be what? 1.5 centimeter. Clear? And its length is 12 centimeter. Length of this model is what? 12 centimeter. Clear? If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, cone height means what? This point to this one, this is the height of a cone, and this is what? 2 centimeter, and this is what? 2 centimeter. If each cone has a height of a 2 centimeter, for this one 2 and for this one also what? 2 centimeter height. Find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made. Now we want to find the air contained in the model. What we want? Volume of the air contained in the model. So the volume of air contained, the volume of the air contained in the model equal to this shape having two cones. Both cones are what? Similar. So we will write 2 times of volume of a cone plus one shape is what? Cylinder, plus volume of a cylinder. The volume of air contained in the model is what? 2 times of the volume of a cone plus volume of a cylinder. Now write the formula. 2 into volume of a cone. Volume of a cone is what? 1/3 of a volume of a cylinder. 1/3 pi r square h. Now I am taking height of a cone is what? h1. So we will write h1. 2 into 1/3 pi r square h1 plus volume of a cylinder. And what about the volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h2. Now in which height of a cylinder is what? h2. So pi r square h2. Now take pi r square as a common. Pi r square I am taking as a common. Then what is the remaining? 2/3 into h1. 2 into 1 2. 2/3 into h1 pi r square I am taking as a common plus h2. Now put the values of r, h1, h2 and pi. Pi is what? 22/7. R is what? Radius, and it is the half of the diameter. Cone, cylinder, both are having what? Same radius. So diameter we are having in the question 3 centimeter. So it's a half value. 3/2 will be what? 1.5 centimeter will be what? Radius. So at the place of the r we are writing what? 1.5 into 1.5. 1.5 into 1.5 into 2/3 into height. Height of h1 is what? h1 is the height of a cone. h1 is what? Height of a cone. So we can write also given things. Radius of a radius of a cone oblique cylinder equal to 3 is the diameter, half will be radius 1.5 centimeter. Another thing, height of a cone, and this one is what? H1, and it is what? 2 centimeter. And next one, height of a cylinder H2, and this is what? Total height is 12. Total height of a model is what? 12 centimeter minus 2 centimeter height of a cone for this one and 2 centimeter height of a cone for this one. So 2 plus 2. So what we are getting? Finally we are getting 8 centimeter. Clear? So H1 value will be what? H1 is the height of a cone, and this is what? 2 centimeter. Plus H2 is the height of a cylinder, and it is what? This point to this one. Total we are having 12. Subtract this and this one, then we are getting 8. This can be written as 22 by 7 into 15, 1.5 into 1.5. This will be 2.25. 2.25. And this will be what? 4 upon 3 plus 8. This can be written as 22 by 7 into 2.25. Take LCM. LCM is what? 3. 3 divided by 3, one time it is going, multiplied by, answer will be multiplied by numerator 4, plus its denominator part is 1, 3 times it is going, answer will be multiplied by 8. 8 3 ja 24. And this can be written as what? 22 by 7 into 2.25 into 28 by 3. So remove this point, then we are getting 100 in the denominator. 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja 28, 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 20 by 21, 1 is remaining 15, 3 5 ja 75. Now what is the remaining things? 22 into 4 is what? 88 into 75 divided of 100. Now multiply 88 into 75. 88, 75 into 88. 8 5 ja 40, 4 is remaining, 8 7 ja 56, 56 plus 4 60. 8 5 ja 40, 4 is remaining, 8 7 ja 56, 56 plus 4 60. 0 0 6 6. So what we are getting? 6600 divided of 100. Solve this one, we are getting 66. This is the volume centimeter cube. 66 centimeter cube will be what? Volume of air contained in the model. This is the required answer. So observe again what we are doing in this question. In this question, we want what? Volume of air contained in the model. This is the model shape in which air volume we want. Clear? So this model containing two shapes. One is the cylinder and ends of the cylinder having cone. So what we are doing, in which volume we can write 2 times of a volume of a cone plus volume of a cylinder. We are having both formulas, and then we will put the values of R, H1, H2 and pi and solve them. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.